Jamie with Race and Ronnie. So we got the twins off with Brian. They're going to help Daddy to get tractor today. Look at them little cutie pies with their little boots on. And the other two younger ones next to the youngest ones.
In the Senate, I know they need 60 votes for cloture right now, but I don't, listen, I think they'll find a way to declare this a reconciliation act. I just think they will. They'll find a way. If they don't do it right.
He's got 4 of the children, so he's going to go pick up the tractor. The big tractor had some issues and had to go to the shop, so we got it serviced and everything, so he's on the way to go get it. Me and the oldest 3 children are on our way to go clean up the church. Okay, so we're here. Time for more work. Let's go to the slide closet. Okay, so I've got to vacuum all this. It seems to take forever. But it's okay. We can get this done. And my others do not like the camera, so they are running from me. Okay, Hope and Christopher, come here and get your chores, and then you can go. You live. Okay, Christopher, he usually cleans the toilets for me lots of times. Now we swap up, but since he's with me today, he does very good. He actually does better than Hope does. So he's gonna do the toilets. Fate's gonna get on the sinks and mirrors and countertops in the bathroom. And Hope's gonna start sweeping. Hope, get your phone. She's gonna sweep this tile floor. It goes all the way around from one side of the church. There's a hall that goes all the way back around and all the bathrooms. So while they're all doing their chores, I'm gonna start on vacuuming. It goes a lot quicker with 4 of us up here. Sometimes Brian will come and help, but with the twins now, it's kind of hard to do. So anyway, I'm gonna get in here and get started with my vacuuming. And go from there. one get on?
I have no clue.